It's working though. It's working.
Oh!
Watch out, Will.
Well, some shit goes slightly wrong, but this is working. Somebody video this.
Come on, get the push.
We gotta hold it again.
Farmer, you gotta come help me sit on this son of a bitch.
I'll sit on it, Farmer, you push it. No, Farmer, you sit on it, I'll push it.
You gotta pick up on it.
Oh, shit. Farmer, you may have to come do this. Yeah, we gotta straighten it back up. The boat, everything's moving.
You go ahead and get on. Go ahead and get on forward, man.
Hold up. We need something bigger holding this so all three of us can pick up on it. I got it all I can. Oh, okay, hold on. It ain't doing it. Well, this is not off the ground anymore. It is. Hey. No, when we see.
Here, look, hey, pick up, hey, get off the wood.
Hold on.
Hey, hold on. Come on. Hey, come on, me.
Yeah. That's good.
Alright,
get a hell.
Somebody else get up here.
Farmer's neck baby. Enjoy that one. I'm about to get back. You better go over the place.
Alright, sit on the back of that. Get back again.
I get the shit job every time. I know. There ain't enough weight on my back for him asking his ass to do anything. I got it. I'm good where I can jump off this. Yeah. It might tip itself over, but it won't go anywhere. Yeah, it's gonna flip up, ain't no doubt. But now we're coming at, I don't know what's going on.
Push it a little bit more, and let me get it up against this tree.
I don't know what's going to happen right now, but it probably ain't going to be good.
I should have a boat that's come flying up here. Keep going.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You gotta fuck, Wesley. Alright, now we got, our job is, your job is, sit on that motherfucker. Sit on it.
It's going to keep jackknife.
We're going to have to push it back this way. We'll have to pull this forward.
That's going to
Hey
be
guys, it's looking like this might tear up my four-wheel.
It might tear it up. Come on. It ain't moving. It is smashed in here. There's no way to put that crap
All the way, let's move back because the trailer's moving back.
Yeah. Because if we was to pull this, we'd push the boat up on the trailer.
Alright, you get on the back of this. I'll tell you what we need to pick it up.
Yep. Oh, good, ain't doing nothing. Hold up.
No, we're really going to do that. I'm going to have to pull it back that way. Good idea, it's just the land's keeping us from
doing anything.
I can't move it. We can't move back again this time. Get your that trailer. You know it'll work if we can do that.
I think it might slide my Jeep across that sand.
It ain't gonna push your Jeep.
It'll hold the Jeep, I promise. Or hey, Foreman.
What?
I'll hook to the trailer and you
No,
push.
he probably don't want to push it on that.
Alright, cool. Just a tad.
Alright. Oh, whoa, that's probably too much, really. Alright, yeah, let's push on it a little bit. Come on, Whip. Alright, it's off the trailer.
About that little room, huh?
Nah, we don't get out right there.
I can get the blazer in there.
Just unhook it. You can unhook it like that, Will. Just unhook it right there. We're going to get this center lined up by hand.
You know what this is bringing back memories of?
What's that?
You won't know, the Farmer will. Farmer! Is this kind of teamwork reminding you of the creek? It is me. Pick that up and pull that. Maybe it's because we're doing something that's almost pointless.
Yeah, almost. But now how we can get Farmer's Jeep in between here and that tree?
Some people feel. Can you back it up in there?
We need to cut them limbs off, man. Here, make some. I'm working.
Over here.
Don't. Oh, it's shot resistant.
You want me to cut them limbs or you straight to scratch them?
Go right there. And back up between those two trees. When I was pushing with the blazer, it was pushing the four-wheeler, and we tried to put the four-wheeler against that tree, but it just jackknifed it. So now we're hooking it to the Jeep.
Let's see what this brings. God, that is a tight fit.
Come on, Farmer!
Woo! Pull up a little bit, Farmer. Pull over your way. Okay, come back.
Come back a little bit. Pull up a little bit.
No, pull it over your way. Quit being late.
All right, right there.
There we go.
Hey, Farmer.